Hey everybody, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide. I'm coming back to the Bellagio again. I know I had just done a review of the conservatory summer display, and I had caught a couple of different things that were off, some changes at the Bellagio that wasn't involved here, so I'm coming back to fill up on there. And by the way, just looking at some of that beautiful glass sculptures from the American artist Schifuli at the top of the lobby. But the things we talked about is, first of all, the obelisk was always at part of the conservatory, and it was missing. Where did the obelisk go? And the other thing that I found out is over here around the corner from the conservatory at the Bellagio Patisserie, which is a coffee and bakery and chocolate house, because finally, after many weeks of being under maintenance, the world's largest chocolate fountain is back and wonderful and able to be seen. Yes, this is the other fountain. There's not just the water fountains in front of the Bellagio, there's also the world's largest chocolate fountain. World's largest, yes, even because the Guinness Book of World Records recognizes this. Over 8 meters tall, and it circulates over 2 tons of chocolate. In fact, my latest tour, I had some folks who were from the Bellagio who had stayed at the Bellagio a couple times, and I'd ask them, did you know when you were in your room you're sitting on over 2 tons of chocolate? No, she said. And then I took her around the corner and showed this, and she's going, oh, wow. So, yeah, this is a fantastic little display. They have 3 different types of chocolate that are running down from a height of over about 27 feet, actually. So they've got white, medium, and dark chocolate. This is all confectioner's grade chocolate that's doing this. And this stuff is absolutely mesmerizing. There's a little bit of information. The thing I like, 2 years of engineering, planning, and design went into putting this together, so it wasn't overnight. Obviously, you can tell from the design. So they have all of these, I'm assuming plastic, but maybe they're glass trays. And they just keeps pumping the different grades of chocolate down, and it just flows from one to another, and it's hypnotizing. First of all, it's chocolate, and who doesn't love chocolate? Very few people I know do not love chocolate. But then you're just having this nice, thick, rich chocolate flowing down from level to level to level, and it just keeps going and going and going, and obviously makes you want to go right next door to the patisserie and get a roll and maybe a little bit of chocolate. And it's just one of those cool little things you don't realize. There are so many things. People say, well, why don't we just walk around? We'll see a bunch of stuff. But a lot of times you end up missing things like this, like the world's largest chocolate fountain. Chocolate. Okay, Richard, get off that. We got to get back to other things. So that's up and going. And so next time you're in the Bellagio, make sure you take a few pictures with all that lovely chocolate there. Now, the second thing that, again, that was the question mark is when they opened up the new summer display in the conservatory, they were missing something, and that is the obelisk that's there. The obelisk had been in the conservatory as long as I can remember, for years and years and years. It was always the one thing that was always there, and then when they opened the conservatory, it wasn't there. And here it is. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with this area, this is the shopping area that runs along the north side of the Bellagio Casino. It starts from the casino itself, not too far away from the poker room, and goes to the walkways that connects to Bally's and also to Caesar's. And there's this little central area, and now they've put that there. So something else to look for, not only the summer conservatory show, but finding the obelisk and finding the fountain. Hey, next time you're in Las Vegas, I'll see you here. Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide. Bye-bye.